If K is equal to negative 4, 2, find P such that K is equal to half of P. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The equation given to us is K is equal to half of P. We are going to find P, so let's make P the subject. To make P the subject, I'll multiply both sides by 2. When I multiply both sides by 2, you can see that 2 and 2 will cancel. And so you will have 2K is equal to P. The question tells us that K is equal to negative 4, 2. So we can replace K here with negative 4, 2. When we do that, we are going to have 2 times negative 4, 2 is equal to P. 2 times negative 4 will give us negative 8, and 2 times 2 will give us 4. So you have P is equal to negative 8, 4. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is D.